To connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. You're going to begin by just navigating to the settings app on your watch, and then you're going to go ahead and select connections. From here, tap on Bluetooth, and then it will scan for any available devices as soon as you ensure Bluetooth is enabled. So the next thing you're going to do is simply put your speaker in pairing mode. So for me, that just means me pressing on this Bluetooth button after turning it on. Once it's in pairing mode, go ahead and scan for any nearby devices. And your Bluetooth speaker should appear. So go ahead and select it and then confirm you wish to connect. And once you do that, you can now be able to use your Bluetooth speaker to listen to any audio coming from your Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.